Welcome to Herway Export Solutions. Here we have a 2008 Nissan X-Trail. It's quite high spec actually. Let's see, have a look in the boot. It's got quite a neat touch in the boot. I like this. I'm running out of daylight actually, so you might not be able to see it that well, but I like this split level boot. You've got a tray that pulls out there. Got like another level in there that you can store stuff underneath, and I hope you can see that. Might be a bit dark, but yeah, very neat touch. Privacy glass to the rear. It's got the twin spots on the roof, which is quite a neat touch. Xenon lights at the front. Let's have a look inside. Full black leather interior. I think, yeah, well, won't be able to see that at all, but there's a CD change in the glove box, and then you've got a panoramic roof. Get some power to it so we can show you. Fire up the engine. Very nice engine. It's the 2 litre DCI, 150 horsepower. Got a built-in sat nav as well. Quite a neat touch. Spotlights on. Bear with me, just trying to get the spotlights on. Oh, that's the wrong one. Right, here we go. See the spotlights on the roof there. Xenon lights up front. Got a very quiet engine actually. Very nice. And you've also got a reversing camera. See that there? Very nice. Right, just trying to get some of these lights back off. Right, so that's it really. Yeah, very high spec Nissan X-Trail. Sat nav, reversing camera, Xenons, steering wheel controls as well there. You've got switchable 4x4 settings as well, so you can have it in 2-wheel drive, auto, or diff lock as well, by the looks of things. Heated seats as well, as you can see. Hill descent, I think that is. So that's it really. Oh, you've also got some electric folding mirrors. I'll just show you the roof quickly. See the roof. Not quite sure how I get to go back actually. I haven't figured that out yet actually. We've got a nice neat little sunglasses holder there. Nice little touch. So yeah, really nice, really good condition. It's going to port tomorrow. Picked this one up a few days ago actually. Yeah, it's already on its way to its port tomorrow. So that's it. Thanks for watching.